Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you template inheritance in Blade. So we have four directives. One is include, another one is section, and another one is extend, and the last one is yield. In Laravel, these are most important things you need to learn. In this video I'm going to talk about include. For this I'm going to create some views. So actually I want to delete all of them except welcome. So I'll go to the folder location, and here I will go to the resources, then views, and from here I'm going to delete everything except welcome. Now let's say I want to remove all the routes except the first one. So let's go and remove all of them. I'm going to keep the fallback function also. So I mean fallback route also. All right. And here I'm going to now create two more view. Let's say one is for header, so I will say header.blade.php. Okay, save it, and let's create one more file, and that is footer.blade.php. All right, so here I'm going to write here a footer, let's say h1. Okay, I'm going to say here HTML, and here also HTML. So this is the header, right? Here I'm going to say header. Here I'm going to say h1. Let's say I'll say this is header, and here I'm going to do some style for it. I will say header I'll say padding not a pixel. I'm going to say here background color, let's say gray, and now let's copy it and paste it here, and here I'm going to say footer. And here I'm going to say footer is like this. All right, now I'm going to create a new file, and that is I'll say main.blade.php, and here I'm going to say HTML, and here the body I'm going to say this is main. Let's say I want to add here this is main part. After that I'm going to add a paragraph with lorem text. All right, now let's create route for it. So I will say route : get, and here let's say I want to say here paste it, and actually I want to create here a function. I will not actually go to the app then controller. I don't want to use controller, so I'm going to go with the function, and I'm going to return the view from here. So the view will be main. Okay, so I have to return it, right? Return view, and here I have to say main, because my file name is main.blade.php. So this is the route. I'm going to copy it, and now I'm going to open the folder because I want to open here cmd, and here I have to serve it, I mean for the server. So php artisan serve, and make sure you have start Apache and MySQL both. Okay, here you can see I have started all of them and done. Now let's go here in the browser, and let's say here localhost So this is the main URL, right? If I enter now, if I want to go to the target URL, so I have to actually paste the route here, and that is test it. If I enter here, you can see this is main part and some text. Now let's say I want to add include operation here. I mean, I want to show you the include operation. So here is the main part, right? And we have here header blade. So what, let's say I want to add header before the main part, right? So I will say include, but for this actually I have to write PHP, right? So I have to add PHP syntax for the blade, and that is at PHP, then at end PHP. Inside it, I'm going to say include. Okay, I have to use at the rate of include at first. So I will say at include, and here I have to mention the file name, and that is header, right? So you just have to mention it, header. Now let's go to the browser and refresh. Here you can see there is nothing. Maybe I have made a mistake here, so let's remove it. I don't need it. All right, now refresh, and here you can see this is header. So we got the header here, right? So this is how actually you can include anything. And now let's say I want to include the footer also. So I will go at the bottom of the page, I mean tag, and here I'm going to say at include. I want to include the footer file also. So the footer view name is footer. Now let's go back and refresh. If I go down here, you can see this is footer. So we got the header and footer also. And this is how actually you can include view in Laravel in different pages. All right. So that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.